In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect MEXEM on Tradingview. This process might seem a bit daunting at first, but don't worry. I'm here to guide you every step of the way. Whether you're trading stocks, options, or anything else Tradingview offers, linking your MEXEM account can enhance your trading experience by providing more flexibility and some insight. To kick things off, the first step is to head over to the Tradingview website. If you aren't familiar with it, Tradingview is a robust platform that offers excellent charting tools for all kinds of traders, from beginners to seasoned professionals. Simply type Tradingview into your browser's search bar and click on the official link to get started. Once you're on the Tradingview homepage, look for the option labeled Supercharts. Supercharts is where Tradingview shines, providing you with incredibly detailed charts that can help inform your trading decisions. You'll want to click on Supercharts to dive into the main charting tool environment. Next up, after opening Supercharts, you'll notice a range of options on the bottom panel of your screen. What you're looking for is the Trading Panel section. Clicking on this will open up a new window featuring various brokerage options that you can connect with. Now, to find MEXEM, you'll need to explore the list of available broker integrations. Start by selecting the option that says Show All Brokers. This will reveal a comprehensive list of brokers that Tradingview is compatible with, which is quite extensive. At this point, things start to get interesting. You should see a button named Find Broker. Clicking on it will allow you to search through the list more efficiently. Think of it as a shortcut to save you time in finding exactly what you're looking for. Finally, as you scroll or search through the list of brokers, you'll come across MEXEM. Click on MEXEM to initiate the connection process. A prompt will appear requesting your authorization to link Tradingview with your MEXEM account. Follow these prompts carefully, logging in if asked, to establish the connection. And there you have it. You've now successfully connected your MEXEM account to Tradingview, opening up a world of trading possibilities and insights. If you encounter any issues along the way, don't hesitate to consult Tradingview's or MEXEM's customer support for further assistance. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope this guide has helped simplify the process. Keep experimenting and exploring various features on Tradingview to maximize your trading strategy's potential. Be sure to subscribe for more tutorials and tips, and happy trading.